Hey, what's going on YouTube? Will here from All Electric, back again with another video. And I hit a deer, or I guess I bumped a deer. It wasn't that bad. Nothing on the car is damaged except for my snap plate. In this video, you're gonna see the dash cam footage from me hitting the deer, and you're also gonna see the new snap plate install and the old snap plate. So I'm super bummed that I was not in autopilot. Again, I was not in autopilot, so autopilot is not a factor in this video. I was strictly driving, did not see the deer jump out in front. Thankfully, it just kind of bumped the car. I was able to slow down pretty quickly and nothing happened to the deer. It was able to just run off. Now, while editing this video, you can see that the camera actually picks up the deer way over there on the side. So I'm really curious to see if the autopilot, if it was engaged, would have stopped for this deer and how early it would have detected the animal that could have potentially come into its path prior to it actually getting into the road. If you have any ideas or comments on that, or if you have another video of an example of that, definitely leave a comment down below in the comment section. This is something that I'm really just more curious about, and again, I don't exactly want to replicate this again and have a deer run in front of me while I'm driving, but I am curious to see if autopilot would have performed better than me, and I kind of suspect that it would have. Again, just really grateful that there was no damage to my car other than the snap plate. You can see that there is absolutely no damage. I come in here on the headlight, I thought there were some cracks on there, but it was just hair that came off of the deer when it bumped the front of my car. Now you can see in this slow-mo footage here that it really just bumped the deer, and where the deer actually hit, the left rear leg of the deer hit the snap plate. So if you're unfamiliar with snap plate, I've had the snap plate on my car since I got this Model 3, and the snap plate allows you to have your front license plate on but also easily take it off. It's a 3D printed item that in my opinion is pretty genius. I really like it. Now because it broke, I did have to get another one. Now if you run into the same situation that I have, make sure you reach out to the guys at SnapPlate. I believe they have a coupon code for you if you've snapped your snap plate. Now something else that I want to mention, the dash cam viewer in the Tesla makes it so easy to view the footage in the car, which I did immediately after this happened. Now obviously I'm recording this a little bit later, but it was so nice to be like, yep, I hit the dash cam button, and then very easily I was able to pull the USB out and plug it in my computer to make this video that you guys are seeing now. Alright, so there you have it. I'm really glad that there was no damage to my actual car and it was just the snap plate that got damaged. But there is the newest version of the snap plate. Mine was about 2 or 3 years old. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure you share this video with a friend and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. As always, I'll see you guys in the next one.